Welcome, cooks, to my series where I give a cooking tip every single Saturday morning. My goal is to motivate you to have a weekend filled with cooking, tasting, and delicious fun. My tip this week has to do with gardening. We're going to talk about topping pepper plants to encourage growth. So join me for my Saturday cooking tip of the week. So this is our pepper plant, and we need to stake it. That's one issue. But another issue is that we want to encourage more growth. See how it's starting to sprout in here? We want to encourage more growth so we get a stronger stem and we don't get this big floppy looking plant. So we want to top off all this new growth where it, see all this new growth here? And it's going to encourage the energy to go back down into the plant and sprout more new branches instead of just growing at the top. So I have really nice leaves right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just clip this right here. Yay! Now I know that looks a little shocking, but what this is going to do is it's going to encourage the plant to start bringing out new branches here instead of just growing tall. And I think this one I've got pretty good leaves around here. I'm just going to take this off here. This one here, I think I'm going to cut it right about here. This isn't an exact science. You just cut, right? For some reason, this kind of looks like someone topped it at the garden center because it's got a lot of branches underneath. We got new growth going on here. It's kind of hard to see, but and it's looking pretty good, so I'm going to leave that one. So look at that. It's only been 2 days, and look at it's already sprouting new branches. Look at this one. We've already got new branches and new growth going on. Even got some over here, and we have some going on here. And what's interesting is look over there in the corner. We got a new little bell pepper growing. So it's only been a couple days, and that little topping is already encouraging growth up and down the plant. So I'm really happy at the results. So cooks, if you are at all interested in trying to plant some little container garden for peppers, go ahead and try topping them because it's really helped me. It encourages a lot of growth, and hopefully we'll get more peppers on our plants than we would have if we didn't do that. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope you enjoyed this Saturday tip of the week, and go out there and cook something.